Is there any belief that Sigiriya was built by Ravana? What about mysterious cave in Sigiriya? Get ready to explore one of the most captivating wonders of Sri Lanka, Sigiriya, the Lion Rock. Let's go. Sigiriya and its location. Sigiriya is an ancient rock fortress located in the central Matala district of Sri Lanka. It is situated approximately 160 kilometers northeast of the capital city Colombo and 20 kilometers east of the town of Dambulla. The fortress stands nearly 200 meters high and is surrounded by lush forests and ancient ruins. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most impressive historical and archaeological wonders in Sri Lanka. What is the history of Sigiriya? The history of Sigiriya is a fascinating and intriguing tale of power, betrayal, and hidden secrets. The story of Sigiriya dates back to the 5th century AD, when King Kasyapa, a controversial and ambitious ruler, built his palace on top of the massive rock. According to legend, Kasyapa, who was the son of King Dajasena, seized the throne from his half-brother, Moggallana, by imprisoning and ultimately killing him. Fearing retribution from his brother's supporters, Kasyapa abandoned the royal capital of Anuradhapura and built a new capital at Sigiriya, using the towering rock as the foundation for his grand palace and fortress. Kasyapa's reign at Sigiriya was brief but eventful. He constructed an extensive network of gardens, fountains, and water features around the base of the rock, as well as a grand staircase leading to the top of the rock. The staircase was adorned with a series of stunning frescoes depicting the king's harem and other courtly scenes, which are still visible today. Despite the grandeur of his palace, Kasyapa's rule was marked by instability and rebellion. He was eventually defeated in battle by Moggallana's forces, who had returned with the support of the Indian emperor, and Kasyapa died by suicide on the battlefield. After Kasyapa's death, Sigiriya was largely abandoned and forgotten for centuries, until it was rediscovered by British archaeologists in the 19th century. Since then, it has become one of the most visited tourist sites in Sri Lanka, attracting visitors from all over the world who are drawn to its incredible history and natural beauty. But the story of Sigiriya is not just one of kings and battles. It is also shrouded in mystery and legend. For example, some historians have speculated that Kasyapa may have hidden treasure somewhere within the palace or the surrounding gardens, although no such treasure has ever been found. Another mysterious feature of Sigiriya is the mirror wall, a polished surface of masonry that runs along the side of the rock. The wall is adorned with ancient inscriptions and graffiti dating back to the 8th century AD, and it is said to have been so highly polished that the king could see his reflection in it. Today, visitors can still see the mirror wall and marvel at the ancient writings and drawings etched into its surface. Who is Kasyapa, the ruler? Kasyapa, also known as Kashyapa or Kassapa, was an ancient king of Sri Lanka who ruled in the 5th century AD. He is most famous for his construction of the palace and fortress complex on top of Sigiriya Rock, which is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist attraction. Kasyapa was the son of King Dajasena and his consort, a woman named Sukala. He had an older half-brother named Moggallana, who was the rightful heir to the throne. However, Kasyapa was ambitious and treacherous, and he plotted to overthrow his brother and seize the throne for himself. In 477 AD, Kasyapa staged a coup and imprisoned his father, who later died in captivity. He then went to war with his brother, Moggallana, who fled to South India for support. Kasyapa, meanwhile, moved the capital of Sri Lanka to Sigiriya, where he built his grand palace and fortress on top of the towering rock. Kasyapa's reign at Sigiriya was brief but eventful, and it ended in tragedy when he was defeated by Moggallana's forces in battle. Kasyapa died by suicide on the battlefield, and Moggallana took the throne as the rightful king of Sri Lanka. Despite his controversial reign, Kasyapa is remembered in Sri Lanka as a great builder and an ambitious ruler. His palace and fortress complex on Sigiriya Rock remains one of the most impressive and awe-inspiring historical sites in the world, attracting visitors from all over the globe to this day. Is there any belief that Sigiriya was built by Ravana? There is no historical evidence to suggest that Sigiriya was built by Ravana, the mythical king of Lanka who is featured in the Hindu epic Ramayana. While the story of Ravana and his battles with the hero Rama is an important part of Sri Lankan mythology and folklore, there is no concrete evidence to support the idea that Ravana was a historical figure or that he had any connection to Sigiriya. In fact, the construction of Sigiriya is well documented in historical records and is generally attributed to King Kasyapa, who ruled Sri Lanka in the 5th century AD. Kasyapa built his palace and fortress complex on top of the massive rock, using its sheer size and natural features to create a virtually impregnable stronghold. While the idea that Sigiriya was built by Ravana may be a popular belief among some Sri Lankans, it is not supported by any credible historical or archaeological evidence. Rather, the construction of Sigiriya is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of ancient Sri Lankan civilization and the enduring power of human ambition and imagination. How Sigiriya's architecture is made. Is it made with advanced technology? The architecture of Sigiriya is a remarkable feat of engineering and design, particularly considering that it was built over 1,500 years ago without the use of modern technology. The complex consists of several elements, including a massive rock fortress, a palace complex, water gardens, and a series of frescoes and other artworks. The rock fortress itself is built on a large granite outcropping, which rises 200 meters above the surrounding landscape. The fortress and palace were constructed using a combination of traditional building techniques and innovative engineering solutions. The architects and builders used the natural features of the rock outcropping, such as its steep walls and natural terraces, to create a series of levels and structures that were interconnected by staircases, ramps, and walkways. One of the most impressive architectural features of Sigiriya is the water management system that was used to supply the palace and gardens with water. The system consisted of a network of canals, dams, and reservoirs that collected and stored rainwater, which was then distributed throughout the complex using gravity. What about mysterious cave in Sigiriya? Hidden deep within the ancient ruins of Sigiriya lies a mysterious cave that has captivated visitors and historians alike for centuries. Seemingly carved into the very rock itself, this enigmatic cavern is shrouded in mystery and legend, with rumors of hidden treasure and dark secrets lurking within its depths. The cave is situated near the base of the massive rock outcropping on which Sigiriya is built, and is accessible via a series of narrow staircases and walkways. Once inside, visitors are greeted with a striking tableau of vividly colored frescoes that adorn the walls of the cave. The frescoes are a marvel of ancient artistry, featuring intricate depictions of human figures, animals, and mythical creatures in such mysterious detail. The colors used in the frescoes are still remarkably vibrant, despite their age, and their precise origins and meaning remain the subject of much debate and speculation among historians and archaeologists. But it's not just the frescoes that make the cave so intriguing. There are persistent rumors of hidden passageways and secret chambers within the cave, leading some to speculate that it may have served as a refuge or stronghold for ancient rulers or religious figures. Others have suggested that the cave may be home to hidden treasure or artifacts, and there are even rumors of ghosts and supernatural forces lurking within its shadowy recesses. Despite centuries of study and speculation, the true nature and purpose of the cave remain shrouded in mystery. Yet for those brave enough to venture into its depths, The cave offers a tantalizing glimpse into the ancient and enigmatic history of Sigiriya and a chance to unlock some of the secrets that lie hidden within its walls. What was found when research team were in Sigiriya? Led by a team of intrepid archaeologists and historians, the research expedition set out to explore the hidden depths of Sigiriya, armed with the latest in cutting-edge technology and a burning curiosity to uncover the secrets that lay hidden beneath its ancient ruins. As they delved deeper into the heart of the city, the researchers were amazed to discover a series of hidden passageways and underground chambers, many of which had remained untouched for centuries. In one of these chambers, they stumbled upon a cache of mysterious artifacts, including ancient weapons, jewelry, and even human bones. But perhaps the most intriguing discovery was a set of intricately carved stone tablets, which contained a cryptic message in an unknown language. Despite extensive analysis and decoding attempts, the meaning of the message remains a mystery, leaving researchers to speculate about its origins and purpose. But perhaps the most eerie discovery of all was a set of strange symbols and markings etched into the walls of one of the underground chambers, which many believe to be evidence of ancient rituals or occult practices. As the researchers continued to explore the depths of Sigiriya, they couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the ancient civilization that had once thrived within its walls. And as they peered into the hidden corners of this enigmatic city, they knew that there were still countless mysteries and secrets waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the wonders of Sigiriya, the Lion Rock. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history, architecture, and mysterious legends of this ancient fortress. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more fascinating content on the world's most captivating destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.